or it was wrong. But so long as they have issued you a query in organization, you stand disadvantaged. And you could go on and bring your own too. Other ideas you will share. Go on YouTube and learn other things. We don't know it all. There's no CEO that knows everything. So every one of you is significant. Nobody here is insignificant. It's not a luxury. It does not take rocket science to put together this, and I must commend Ecofarms for this.
When you brainstorm, you are going to brainstorm on this challenge. For example, if one of the challenges that your insecurity is your concern in your farm, are we together? So you're going to brainstorm and come up with objectionable and time-sensitive ways to overcome those insecurities.
If we have if let's say we are top dressing in the first greenhouse one, and there are 3 people that are assigned to the greenhouse, how about you tell us what we are supposed to do? If there are 3 people that are assigned to greenhouse one, maybe tell us to take 2 ridges each.
The management, I will appreciate if the management will get some equipment for the warehouse, for the chemical, because I'm really stuck for the chemical in the warehouse, so I really appreciate that.
Sorry, which is it the same kind of equipment Kenneth was talking about?
No, my own for the chemical.
Face mask. That's particularly the fertilizer warehouse.
First, do we have money to have me? So let's start this way. Let's start this way. I want to mention, if I say financial management, do we have any issue with financial? Then we take that one. So which is also common. Okay. So it's like all of us have experience with one form of financial issues.
Business was that once he's going to set aside, yes, just to give me all the details from the beginning. Anything that is coming after, make sure do it in a way that nothing is going to come after, which is not possible.
For this herbicide, so definitely I think we need more. Yes. We'll be shuffling now, sir, which is not even easy. Okay, we are doing cell amendments. Diggers, shovel, wheelbarrows, handles are available. Face masks. So imagine.
Because I have been working. This one is just coming just now, and instead of him to join me, probably to do even go beyond my own strength, but beyond my capacity. But he came late, and look at him, he went and said that. So the next thing you see that person that was even, in short, he was on high spirit.
Calm down.
see, those are some mentality we have. You were not competing with farm A. You were not competing with farm B. You were a farm coming to achieve your aim. And you failed. Your nail has not gone inside. See, it bent. How did you win? No farm won.
Continue.
Just come pray.
Let me move these things aside.
Who understands?